Section Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade this candlestick analysis. There is another new video on how to trade this candlestick analysis. Before we start, the risk warning. Your capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not an investment advice. So here we are in downtrend. Yes, let's put option because we are in downtrend. And you see this candle, let's pull back for 20 EMA. So please sellers must enter and no rejection here. That's why I place my trade put option because of this 20 EMA pull back. This is strong sellers entry. This is winning trade. So let's analyze another market. Here is low volume. Yes, here is ranging market. Yes, ranging market. Yes, ranging market. So if this candle is a green candle, I will place call option because of the ranging market. See here. Yes, another pullback from 20 MA. Yes, I place call option here because of the pullback. I know definitely buyers must enter. You see this candle rejected from 20 MA. That's why I place my trade call option at this level. You see strong buyers entry. So you see strong buyers entry because of the pullback from 20 MA. So I place my trade call option. You see winning trade. So let's analyze another one. I decided to take 3 trades. So here, this is global top. And the trend has finished. Maybe another pullback from one deviation, but this is Bollinger Squeeze and breakout of all EMAs. Wait. Here, momentum. Rejection from 20 EMA. This market is rejected and close below. I'll place option because of the pullback from one deviation, rejection from 20 MA, pullback from one deviation, Bollinger Band. So I know definitely at least sellers will enter for one candle. That's why I place my trade option here. See? rejection from 20 MA, pullback from 1 deviation. This is strong sellers entry. We have 18 seconds. The market is fluctuating, but must give me a trade. You see strong sellers entry. See, this is winning trade. So I took 3 trades. All are winning trades. Pullback trade. You see here. My first trade here. This is engulfing pullback from 20 MA. Let me show you. Here, let's play. So yes, I paused for some minutes. I'm back. So here, what you observe anytime you want to take trade, try to observe. Here you see this is strong momentum. So if you see strong momentum, you should expect market to cover this strong momentum. Even though it may be retracing, it may be pulling back. Yes, here you see just strong momentum. So when market is coming back, sometimes it will come with pullback. Higher high, sorry, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So that's what you're supposed to observe all the time. Here you see strong momentum. You see lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high before market cover this momentum. So in many cases you will see like this. It's hardly to see just momentum, then you see momentum directly. It happens, but not all the time. Most of the time, if you see momentum, you'll see market will be creating. You see strong momentum, you see lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So this is the way the behavior of the covering the momentum of the market sometimes. So as soon as you see strong momentum, so if you see market start creating lower low, lower high, so you know where you're supposed to take your trade. So don't take trade against the direction of the momentum, because here you see strong momentum, so you should expect momentum down. So don't try to trade call option at all. Just try to get full back from levels. You see here, this is a channel, trend channel. You see here, market come down all the way, then pull back from 1 dB, come back all the way, pull back from 2 dB, right, middle Bollinger Band, come back all the way, pull back from 1 deviation. So that's why anytime you see this movement here, try to get good area to take your trade, because this trend is like ranging sideways. So in this type of market, always market reverse from 1 deviation, 2 deviation, middle Bollinger Band, 1 deviation lower and 2 deviation lower all the time. I'm calling.